Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Simple Stories Saturday, where a bunch of us will be playing with Simple Stories products today. I will have everybody else linked down below. Make sure you check them out. I'm going to play, and because it's also Baby Got Scraps, I'm going to play with what I have left of Simple Stories Heart and do a page in my Nana book. So it's kind of just stories or just pictures, just all about my mom, so the grandkids can see it whenever they want, slowly working on it. Yeah, not as quickly as I'd like. So I'm just going to put this photo with my son, and we will use what I have left, like I said, of Heart. So let's get started. All right, so far I've just been playing with the scraps and what I have. So this paper was already torn. I put a piece on the bottom and the top. I've got lots of strips, so I figured I would do some banners. And this is just gonna be just kind of it's going to be a memory page, but I don't have any specific memory that I'm going to document on it. So I'm going to try to leave a spot for journaling. I just don't know where yet, but that's my goal, is to just leave a spot for journaling. So I'm just matting my photo on this piece of paper I have left, trimmed it down, got some banners started underneath this ripped area, this torn area, and yeah, we'll go from there. So far, just a few bits. I enjoy having this book where I can just create a page, and then if I think of a memory, I have it here. I can write it down. Yeah, it's just available, which is nice. Oh, good. I have got, let's do, this looks like a good spot. Just to use up more stuff, guys. Just to use up more stuff. We will that's under that. Maybe we'll do just over here, or where the photo is. We'll tuck some. I'm still gonna have a lot left, even though it's not a lot left of this collection. So I've still got these papers and Forever in My Heart. Do I have a solid I can stick behind that? Miss You Every Day. And then sprinkle the hearts or stars around, I think is what I'm going to do. And then if I want to journal, I can just journal down here in that color. And then all I have left are some tiny, tiny scraps and some pocket cards. So my pocket cards technically could go in my stash. Maybe I won't do the stars on this one. Maybe we'll find something else. All right, I finished it up with some of these gems I've had in my stash forever, and then I stamped horribly this new Penny Black journaling spot stamp that I've gotten. And yeah, we're gonna call it quits. That's what I got for you. So there is my Simple Stories Saturday layout for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching while I got some stash used up and a page done in my Nana album. So now it's just one more page done, right? So thank you again. Ooh, those are falling out. We will see you next time. And once again, make sure you check out everybody else who is playing down below. I'll have some close-ups for you. Thank you so much.